Woodlands, Texas is one of my absolute favorite places, so come spend a few days with us here. We had dinner at Flower Child, which has a made-from-scratch menu and caters to so many different diets. If you're keto, paleo, vegetarian, vegan, a meat lover, gluten-free, they have something for you on this menu.
The Woodlands at night, I think, is such a magical place. Everything is lit up. It's not so hot and humid out. People are out, families are out, people are out playing, eating, socializing. We're gonna come back in the day and take some more videos of this area so you can actually see all the stuff. It's gorgeous, but I love the Woodlands at night.
Market Street is a must visit at nighttime, especially on the weekends, because a lot of times they have live music for free in the center of the square. Families are out eating, kids are playing, everyone's hanging out, there's a splash pad. This is where they typically have live music. When the sun goes down, people come out to play because the temperature is perfect. It's great for walking, it's great for visiting. This area is just gorgeous. There are several restaurants in this area, and most of them have outdoor seating so you can enjoy the weather and the music that's playing in the streets all the time. We walked over to Town Green Park right after Market Street. It's basically connected. The Woodlands is a master plan community, so everything was planned out before it was built, and you can literally walk all over this area. Everything is super close. It's really easy to access. We walked all the way to the Waterway District, which is this right here. Our first day in the Woodlands, we actually walked over 9 miles, so we definitely got our steps in.
We're on our way to True Food. I ate there last time I was here, and it was amazing, so we absolutely have to go. This is Market Street during the day. It's what? 10:50 a.m. We're walking to True Food. It opens at 11. It is in the Market Street district. It's perfect walking weather. It's overcast. It's 75. It's beautiful.
This was our destination. I ate here for breakfast 2 years ago and never forgot how good it was and wanted to come back. The restaurant itself is really cute. The staff is so friendly and the menu is awesome. Their motto is real food for real life. Everything they make meets a really high standard. It was doctor inspired. Their goal is to help improve longevity through whole foods.
The food was delicious as usual, and when we went to pay, they gave us this little recipe. I love to cook, so this is something I'm definitely gonna be trying. It is a little involved, but we'll see how it goes. They're playing Marco's favorite music.
This is the green space all the kids were playing in last night where they have live music sometimes. There's even a splash pad. Of course, we had to visit the mall because if I'm going to be living somewhere, I need retail therapy. But this was the coolest part. It's a big open lawn in the center of the mall with a screen on one end and a little Shake Shack on the other where you could get shakes, desserts, snacks, burgers. But families can come pack out with little picnics on this lawn and watch movies for free. The first day we were here, they were actually playing a sporting event, which was really cool. I felt like the mall had a really good mix of upscale options and then also more budget-friendly options, no matter where you are on that scale. Of course, we went to Altered State. This was the prettiest storefront in the whole mall. It is one of my favorite stores to shop from, but we don't have any near us in Indiana, so I had to visit here. All this walking had us hungry, so we went to Bazil, I think I'm saying that correctly, which is inside Nordstrom. This cauliflower was so good. We had it gone in less than 60 seconds. Our food was great.
So good. I finished my plate. Left no crumbs. We're going kayaking. We're at River Row Boat House. This is where I went last time. I loved it, so we're here again.
River Row has kayaks, stand-up paddle boards, water bikes, and swan boats. We got a tandem kayak and rode together. This is one of the public trolleys that connects all the areas. They're so convenient.
We are out in the middle of the lake, so he cannot escape me. What do you think of the Woodlands so far, babe?
Out of 10?
Yeah.
A 9. I'll give it a 9.
Okay, what'd you take a point off for?
Our hotel.
That doesn't count. Supposed to be figuring out if this is someplace we want to live. Hotel is not that bad. It is just under construction, and say what you said.
They did us dirty by not telling us the water was going to be turned off until 30.
Yeah, we didn't get any notification of that, so that was kind of rough. Last time I was here, it was September, and it was gorgeous. I did a sunset kayak, which this kayak was pretty, I mean, the water looks nice, the sun is shining, it's warm. We came from Indiana, so we went from what, 35, 40 degree weather to having swimsuits on and living our best life. I'm kind of surprised that there's not more stuff bloomed in March. It's so warm. It's like 80 degrees today, isn't it? It's very warm. I was a little surprised not more stuff was bloomed, but it's still nice and sunny and great weather for walking. Live anywhere in the Woodlands, this would be it. 1 and 2 Lakes Edge. I think these are so neat, right on the lake. And then there's retail right on the other side.
These apartments are an absolute dream. They are right on the lake. They're so nice. There's retail and shopping and boutiques and even beauty bars in the bottoms of them. The area is surrounded by a lot of restaurants. There's a sidewalk that goes all the way around so you can walk every single day if you want to. I would do that. If I lived here, I would walk this sidewalk and get these views every day.
All these lights on at night would be so cool.
There are several restaurants down in this area, so you wouldn't have to go far if you didn't want to, and there's a Whole Foods market right across the street.
Back at the Waterway for dinner. We're going to the Goose's Pub. It is gorgeous here tonight.
I am a margarita pizza lover, and I'm gonna be honest, I did not enjoy this margarita pizza, but the rest of the food was really good. Marco loved his burger and fries, and holy cow, this dessert is the best dessert either one of us have ever had.
Sticky toffee cake. 10 out of 10 recommend. We both 10 out of 10 recommend it. Don't you, babe?